Yeah. Hey guys, and today I'm going to be actually shooting a real crossbow. And here's the point. Yeah, scary. Here you go. This. It's lined up. Got it lined up. Right in the middle. Yep. Okay. Keep it lined up. Go now, run down and show where you hit. I don't remember which one. Which one?
Radio, all of them. They're all in the radar.
No, except this one. This one's not. And the one that you probably shot. You want me to take them out?
In the video.
Yeah, that was pretty actually scary. It was. Don't get me in it. And this is how sharp it is. Really sharp. Can we see another view of it? Yeah. It's an actual crossbow. No fakes. Now, if you guys see that down there, if you guys see it, wait, I'm going again? Again?
Yeah. Dad wants it in for his phone.
Okay. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment below. And bye.